How to use secret conversations on Facebook Messenger. Messenger has changed how encrypted chats work. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Open any chat from your conversations list. Tap the person's profile picture or name at the top of the chat. This will open the chat settings, where you may remember seeing an option called Secret Conversation. Previously, Messenger had a separate secret conversation option that you could select to start an encrypted conversation with that person. At that time, regular chats were not end-to-end encrypted by default, so you had to use this option for an end-to-end encrypted conversation. However, Messenger has changed this system. Now, end-to-end encryption is enabled by default for supported personal chats, so you no longer need a separate secret conversation option. That's why you may not see secret conversation in your chat settings anymore. So if you're trying to find this option and it's missing, there's nothing wrong with your Messenger app. The feature was changed because end-to-end encryption is now built into regular supported chats by default. Simply open a supported personal chat and continue messaging normally. And that's why the old secret conversation option is no longer needed on Messenger. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Messenger tutorials.